Welcome to the top 5 things about the Oracle Cloud series. My name is Ganesh, and today we're going to talk about the top 5 maximum availability automations with Oracle Database Cloud Service. But before we get there, let's understand the maximum availability architecture reference points. There are 4 levels starting from bronze and going up to platinum. At the bronze level, which is typically for dev, test, and production environments, we are talking about the capability to automatically restart any failed instances and the capability to restore from a proper backup. When we go to silver level, which is for production level databases, we are talking about all the capabilities of bronze, and on top of it, we are also talking about local high availability through active-active clustering, or in other words, real application clusters. When we go one step further to the gold level, which is for business critical databases, we are talking about all the high availability options of bronze and silver, and on top of it, we are also talking about zero data loss achieved through physical replication. In other words, we are talking about data guard scenarios plus whatever we achieved with bronze and silver. And finally, when we go to platinum, which is for mission critical databases, we are talking about every capability achieved through bronze, silver, and gold, and on top of it, we are also talking about transparent outages to end users and about automation of the whole process. Now that we've understood this, let's move on to the top 5 things about the maximum availability automations with Oracle Database Cloud Service. Number 1, the Oracle Database Cloud Service by default provides a 99.95% uptime. So it is Oracle's responsibility to give you a database which you can use without significant downtimes. The way it is done is by taking snapshots and restoring those snapshots if in case the instance to which you're connected to fails. It is also achieved through backups, and that is the second point. So number 2 is backups. So with the Database Cloud Service, you can automate your RMAN backups. You can also automate your storage snapshots. You can automate the backup of your VMs. And finally, you can also create new database instances from scratch from your existing RMAN backups. Again, number 1 and number 2 relate to the bronze level of maximum availability. And when you get to the Oracle Database Cloud Service, by default, you're at least at the level of bronze. Number 3, we are talking about active-active clustering with rack. So with the Database Cloud Service, you're able to provision a 2-node rack with a single step. And by this, you get to the silver level where you're able to achieve active-active local high availability with real application clusters. Number 4 is about disaster recovery replication, or in other words, data guard or active data guard. Again, to set up data guard or active data guard, it's a single step process. When you create a new database, you can choose that database to be a single instance or a rack database or a data guard database. And this helps you achieve the gold standard, which is about physical replication and zero data loss. You can also have a combination of these components. So when you go to the level 5, we are talking about high availability and disaster recovery automated and backups managed. So you can provision rack and you can provision data guard in a single step, and you can also automate this process through a single click provisioning. You can also automate your backups and automate your snapshots. Thereby you have complete high availability and completely managed by Oracle instead of you doing it. So that sums up today's topic about the top 5 automations about Oracle Database Cloud Service maximum availability. Thanks again for watching.